Bro, I said one more day. I already did 2 full days almost.
Nick has how many hours?
46.
46 hours without eating.
I'm drinking water.
Bro, why do you torture yourself?
It's healthy, G.
I don't get at what part is that supposed to be healthy?
Okay, long story short, it's supposed to kill bad cells.
Sows. See the way he said it. Kill bad sows. That's what, hey, same way the way he says the word, the color yellow. He says yellow. Anyways, what's up, you guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. Welcome back to the channel.
Oh, you're starting another vlog today.
Yeah, bro. It's like day 20 probably. Anyways, welcome back to a brand new video. Welcome back to the channel. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, the like button, turn on the notifications. Follow me on Instagram. We're with Chris and we're with Nick, and we're gonna go on cop calls. I hope we can see some dope shit tonight.
Hey, you wanna see what I saw the other night?
I'm cold, guys.
Look.
A pursuit?
Yeah, and he ended up in the river. He ran away.
He ended up in the river?
Yeah, I was live on Citizen. It had like 2K views.
What the Oh, you went live on Citizen?
Yeah.
That's crazy. So anyways, guys, I don't know where are we? We're just gonna stick in this area? Or we're gonna go somewhere like crazy?
I don't know. We'll see where the night takes us. We're gonna have fucking Nikon with us.
Yeah.
Oh, no, stay on Ventura.
Alright.
Ventura Bowl.
So we might go to downtown.
Bro. Hey,
it feels so good to eat, I'm not gonna lie.
Stop.
You're fucking stupid as fuck, honestly. You're actually dumb. Hey, you can see yourself. That's sick as fuck.
You know that supposedly, like after the second day, you're not even supposed to be hungry anymore. But that's a lie, bro. I'm hungry. Everything looks so
Bro, it's because you're so used to eating every single day.
I know.
Like 2 times a day. How can you just randomly stop, bro?
Being child.
And we snack so much, we go to Anita's every day.
Yeah, bro, like right now we're about to stop there and get it right now.
I'm
like,
about to eat that shit all
me too, I'm about to eat it in front of your face,
you know
bro.
what?
You think I give a shit?
You want to actually hear something? I don't like Anita's like that.
I like Anita's. That's good.
Bomb, especially right now.
I feel like, wait, it depends what you get, bro.
Where is he?
Anyways, we might get some Anita's gelato before we hit the streets of LA. Might? Bro, what about Anita's? Bro. Oh my God, Chris.
Oh, shit, go through.
Bro.
4212 Colfax Avenue.
4212
Colfax, that's all the way down there, bro. Colfax is by my house.
Oh, fuck.
That's far.
Guys, we're back in the Jeeps. You know what that means? Back to cop calls.
Yeah, G.
See if we find something interesting. I'm gonna keep doing this until we find some crazy stuff. You know John Hicks was doing this the other day on live?
Was it?
Who the fuck is John Hicks? Look, I sent you this.
No way you saw a pursuit. Yeah, that's crazy. I wanna see some crazy shit, bro.
We might see some crazy shit, bro. You never know.
Hicks saw an RV, a homeless guy light up RV on fire.
No way.
That shit was crazy.
That's insane.
Bro. This was smoked out, bro. Bro, all the people in the street are tripping right now.
Hey, remember that happened to my F80? It was
oh, yeah.
I was stuck for 5 minutes.
It's stuck.
Imagine Chris does this and it stays stuck like that. All over Nick, G. No way. And he's downshifting, G.
Damn, I'll be popping on his bitch ass right now if I had my car.
Damn, bro.
Should I tell him?
Bro, yeah, go tell them. Bro, that's them. Guys, the cop car literally said the bikers were doing stunts in the street.
I got police scanner. They just called the cops on you guys. Alright? Yeah.
We got the call. We got a call.
I have a police scanner and they just called the cops on you. Alright?
We got you. Yeah.
Don't shoot me. Finding Nick.
Finding Nick.
Hey, thank me. My name is Shaila Muslim.
Shaila what?
S-H-Y-L-O-C-K.
Shaila? Is he Persian?
Yeah. You Persian? What up? Abe.
You Persian?
I'm Egyptian.
Habib al-Albi.
Oh my God, bro. Look. Oh, you saw the sparks come out. Look. Oh, shit.
That's on substance walking in the middle of the street. Code 3 inside 4089ers 1684. Foothill units on
It's Kevin. It's Kevin in his afterlife.
Any radio calls for a missing adult. It's going to be a male.
It's all Laurel Canyon.
Approximately 71 years of age.
I told you.
1684.
Smoked out, bro.
They're all doing wheels.
Oh my! Oh, right here, right here. Look, look, look. Oh my God.
Well, that's a big bike too.
Yeah, I know. I don't know how he's doing that shit.
Code
Heavy, bro.
44212 Colbath, Suspect J-Way. 3893.
Back-to-back Cullinans. Rolls Royce Ferrari.
Hey, let's go to El Pastel. Eat some pasta in front of this guy.
Let's do it. Fuck him up, G.
Guy.
Look, G-Wagon again, Nick. Another G-Wagon, bro. There's David's perf, look.
Hey, some guy in Arizona bought the HRE
There's
wheels off
Dave.
that kid.
El Pastizi. There's David in the Lamskis. Bentley. G-Wagon. Bro, I'm telling you, the G-Wagons here, they're like Honda Civics out here, bro. Bro, what the? Maserati, the MC20.
The same one. Parked in the same spot. And it.
There's the perf, guys.
Damn, look at that Rolls Royce.
Old school Rolls Royce across the street. Worth more than our cars, G. Dirty 30. Egyptian?
Orange Bugatti.
Where? You're stupid. Got the McLaren GT. That's pretty cool. The new Rolls Royce Spectre.
Oh shit.
Fully electric.
It's TFW.
Watch. When I came the other day, bro, it's nothing but Rolls and Bentleys in here. If they're still here. Probably not, but. Oh, we can't see. It's all flooded. Oh, yeah, look, Bentley.
Urus. Blacked out Urus.
Yeah, see the Urus.
Corvette.
Got the new Corvette Z06. What else? Look, Bentley and Bentley and Bentley and Bentley. Look, 4 Bentleys in a row over there back there. Look at the Urus, guys. Matte black with green.
You know who that is?
Oh, M8.
You know that?
That shit is pretty sick.
Should I scratch it?
Matte black with the green. Pretty hard.
Alright.
Look at that, guys.
Let me see how far and I'll talk
That's
to
fire. All right, Chris. You want to explain to them what do we got?
Whole Foods tiramisu.
Should we do a little Q&A in the car?
And Mr. fucking, what's his name over there is starving himself.
Bro, nigga, you're tripping, G.
You would not give that up.
I inhaled some of the powder.
Fire powder?
Bro, I cannot wait to eat tomorrow. I'm gonna fucking go crazy, G.
Where are we going tomorrow, G?
He's just gonna eat a cheeseburger and say I'm done.
No, I was telling Kevin, you know that supposedly when you get off of this, you're supposed to eat small in the beginning? Like you can't just go feast on everything.
Nick's about to go and feast right now.
They said like the first thing you should eat is like a smoothie.
The fuck?
And then a salad or something. Like something light. Because they said if you eat like a big ass steak after, your stomach's gonna be like, what the fuck?
Whatever
It's
the
been empty
fucking
for 3
internet
days.
tells you is retarded.
He got it from that one guy. Who was the guy?
Dana White.
Who the fuck? Oh. UFC. Killed it already?
That was fucking good, bro.
Bro, what the fuck?
Damn, she bad. Alright, we should be good. I thought that's what you were about to do, bro.
No, I don't litter.
Alright. Oh, hey, this one out too. This is all trash.
You good, G?
Yeah. Got the Ferrari, look at that. Right in the front.
4 Bentleys.
Aston Martin? This is pretty sick.
Like,
The
what makes them
DBS.
say yes or no to him applying that like Rolls Royce?
Rolls Royce, look. Rolls.
You have to sell yourself.
Look, Corvette.
Or no people.
New 7 Series. You got like the new 7 Series? It's an M2.
G82.
That's a clean M2.
It's not a G80.
You guys see the Urus right there? Yellow? Yellow Lamskis. Bam. Got the R8. It's pretty clean. Oh, they got the green SV. Look. They got the green SV in there. Coutage? That's just sick, bro.
That's-
Oh, I'm gonna fucking throw up.
Bro, Chris, try it.
I hate these guys so much, guys. They literally got pizza to eat in front of me. At my favorite pizza spot.
At Dobrik's. We're at Dobrik's.
Well, tell me it's not the best pizza ever. Like, for real, for real, for real, for real, for real.
You got Rialto taste buds.
It's not good?
Bro, it's so bomb. God damn, I literally could taste it, bro. My mouth
Fire?
is watery.
Big shout out to David Dobrik.
Hooking us up.
Oh my god, it smells
Hold on. I gotta try
Why are
it.
you guys doing this to me?
Hold
Tomorrow
up.
night, guys. Tomorrow night, I can eat.
Look.
Tomorrow night, I'm about to come back here. I swear to God. Bro, it looks so good. I literally can smell it. G. Don't get friends like these guys. You know? It beeped twice. And it said a guy was assaulting a woman at a gas station.
Yeah.
Olympic and Arlington. I looked it up.
Yeah, I remember the address. Good.
It was like,
Okay, the only thing I don't like about this is way too fucking greasy.
bro, fuck it, G.
Nah, bro.
You know why I think so?
Why?
Because it's so thick.
Can you guys both take a bite real quick? So you take a picture.
Huh?
Both of you guys take a bite.
Why? So it could be a thumbnail?
Yeah.
Alright, you're sending it to Josephine.
Ready?
Send it to Josephine.
Ready? Go.
That's fucked.
The fuck you little starving shit. Just
Bro, I
fucking
can't.
eat it.
Guys, that shit was fire. I'm not gonna lie.
Close,
Just
bro.
eat it.
How many hours are you?
Eat it.
Bro, just try it. Stop being so lame,
Just
bro.
fucking eat it.
You're so dumb. Eat. He continues to take another bite.
I'm at exactly 48 hours right now.
Eat. The TRX? Damn. That shit looks so sick, bro. Alright, guys, we found one. Go, Chris. So a car flipped over right by Daniel's house, too. That's crazy.
Daniel.
Holy shit. I don't see no car flip. Oh, it's
Roll the
behind the
window, G.
cops, bro. Chris is gonna do. I know exactly what he's gonna do. They flipped it already.
Oh, they already put it back?
They already flipped it back.
The airbags are
Airbags deployed too.
Yeah.
That shit definitely
Yeah. But where's the other car that hit? Oh, over here? This car. They hit this car. Oh, right there, look. Damn, they're on the floor too, bro.
He gone, G.
Go.
He gone, G.
Smoked out, G. Smoked out, G. We on top of the world, guys. We on top. Whoa. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, the like button, turn on the post notifications. Follow me on Instagram. My passenger princess is knocked out.
Don't ever do a water cleanse. Water fast, whatever the freak you want to call it.
I can't believe you did this, bro. How many days?
It's about, let's see how many hours it's been. It's been 49, 50 hours about to hit.
You're crazy, bro.
Rubbed it in my face. All day.
Whoa. Alright guys, peace.